Shalom, real quick. I'm gonna title this G-Man Eats a Shrimp. When is he gonna eat the rest of the unclean, creeping things in Acts 10? As you can see here in the picture on the screen, you see G-Man, and this is from a video that G-Man put up entitled ISUPK and Their Lack of Understanding. And he opens, this video is 59 minutes and 47 seconds long. And he opens up, he says he's going to eat a shrimp, and he goes ahead and eats the shrimp. And, okay, you ate the shrimp, all right? Shrimp in this country of America, that's accepted as food in this society. That's why you ate it with no problem. But now I want to see you eat the rest of those creeping things. I want to see you eat dog. I want to see you eat roaches. You know, I want you to get a bunch of roaches, get some rats, you know, get all these creeping things, and I want you to eat them, because it's easy to eat a shrimp because you got a demon. You got 7 demons on you.
You act like I care about your opinion, Tahar. There is no scripture saying that I cannot eat shrimp, and you know it. But I'm sure you're going to try to make it up. But before you do this, you know, your credibility with teaching isn't all that great. Remember you said this?
These places that's going to be hit in this thermonuclear war is America. America's going to be wiped off the face of the planet Earth. That's going to take place before the year 2000.
That's right. So when you stop acting like a false prophet, then come and talk to me.